All right, let's continue. If you watched the previous part, you already know we stopped at 47 dials. But now it gets more interesting, because what comes next is honestly more unusual, and in some cases, pretty rare. Quick reminder, the giveaway is still on. If you haven't joined yet, go back to the first video and comment how many dials you think are in this box. If you guess it right, you'll get to choose any dial, and I'll build a watch for you. Yes, fully assembled. All right, let's keep going. And pay attention, because some of these are worth more than they look. Number 48, a motorcycle. Classic. But look at the background. It's not just a bike, it's a whole mood. Freedom, movement. People don't pick these for logic, they pick them for feeling. Would you wear something like this? 49, a port scene. Very calm. These are usually picked by people who want something quiet, not flashy. 50, a UFO. And not just a UFO, a full abduction scene. This theme is actually getting popular with collectors. Would you wear this or pass? 51, space, Soviet style, a satellite in orbit. This isn't just a drawing, it's a piece of history. 52, Eiffel Tower and a car. And honestly, how do you even paint this at this size? That's precision work, almost like jewelry. 53, and here's a twist, the Eiffel Tower taking a selfie. Yeah, that's the kind of thing you don't forget. 54, two people on a motorcycle, pinup style, classic. These always find a buyer. 55, a diver. But here's the interesting part. This one is made for a specific case, so it's not just a piece, it's a project. 56, Scrooge McDuck. And look closely, some of these dials are signed by the artist. If there's a signature, that changes everything. 57, a futuristic city. Feels like someone imagining their version of the future. 58, pinup/nude style. Classic collector theme. 59, a night city. Very calm but deep. 60, a night. Who does it look like to you? Curious what you see. 61, another pinup. 62, looks like Venice, very recognizable. 63, again, nude style. 64, another UFO, but now there's a story, someone photographing it. That's more than just an image. 65, space mixed with pinup, unusual combination. 66, racing cars, speed, motion. 67, a truck with an American flag. These themes do really well with Western buyers. 68, a tiger. What do you think? Reference to something or just imagination? 69, looks like an amphibious-style diver. Classic Soviet vibe. 70, an elf mixed with nude art. That's unexpected, and sometimes those are the most valuable. 71, another signed piece. Again, important. 72. A car in the city. Look at the detail. 73. Pinup. 74. Eiffel Tower again, but different style. 75. Another pinup. 76. Mickey Mouse. These always trigger emotion. 77. Again, nude style. 78. Motorcycle. 79. This one's hard to read. Looks older. Sometimes those are the most interesting. 80. Another UFO. I'm starting to notice this theme repeats a lot. 81. Space. 82. UFO again. 83. Looks like a vampire. Interesting style. 84. A ship with the moon. Very atmospheric. 86. Cosmonaut. 87. A car at sunset. Soft, calm energy. 88. A cosmonaut riding a bicycle. That one stands out. 89. Pinup. 90. Pinup plus nude. 91. A train. People on the platform. 92. A motorcyclist. 93. A cosmonaut playing violin. That's more art than design. 94. Pinup again. 95. Space. 96. A cosmonaut holding a planet. Strong image. 97. A city by the water. A really nice way to end this part. All right, we'll stop here for today. Let me know, which dial did you like the most? Just write the number, or describe it. And don't forget the giveaway. We're still counting the total. There are more parts coming, and trust me, it only gets more interesting. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.